Migao mochung' ne rito lee mag bungu gikone ondhiyo rawa auchiel mosebedo ka chando jodak ma Naivasha kuom higni 3 koro. Chenro mar daro rawogo nyaka Laikipia ne okawo juma achiel, ka e dwe achiel mokalo rawo nosenego ng'ato achiel kendo ohinyo ji 5, kamoriwo nyaka japuonjre skul primary moro e skul manie boma no endo. Jopiny e gwengego nyiso mor margi bang' yudo fuong'ruok ka nosegol rawogo.
Hata mimi namwambia yangu uko sawa, nikiona amekwama.
Our mission was to capture them and take them to a safe place. So we have managed to capture 6 of them and transported them to Laikipia in a place where it's well secured with a fence and there is a fresh pond and where we expect them to thrive in that ecosystem. We've had issues of human-wildlife conflict in areas like this because of increased human population and human settlements. And we've instructed the Naivasha sewage company to be closing the gate and put guards here and also put signages that this is a dangerous zone.
It's unfortunate that most of the people who have been injured by these hippos, they have still not been compensated. But we want to ask KWS to come into the aid of such families.